这里和旧金山距离只不过半个小时的车程，但是这里和那里却是完全不一样的景色。在这里，你可以看到梦想中生活的颜色，有海，有天，还有无限的绿地。虽然有的时候会被烟雾缭绕，但是不妨为这个地方增加了一丝神秘的色彩。这里是哪里呢？这里就是 Pacifica。当我们聊到海边的小镇，可能很多人会想到大海，徒步或者是非常悠闲的生活。但是 Pacifica 并不仅限于此 ，Pacifica 还有非常悠久的历史。其实，在1000多年前呢，这里已经是相当于做一个小渔村的形式而存在了。包括当时欧洲人第一次发现旧金山湾的时候，也是在这里。所以来到 Pacifica， 我们不仅要感受自然风光的美好，去徒步旅行一下，同时我们也要了解这里丰富的文化。因为正像这里的工作人员告诉我的，在 Pacifica 浓缩着整个加州的历史。
如果你想了解这座海边小城的历史，那你一定要来这里，因为这里有一位神秘嘉宾和你讲述 Pacifica 的前世今生。
Welcome to the Pacifica Coastside Museum. My name is Diedrich Rowe, and I'm a member of the Pacifica Historical Society. We like to say that this beautiful city encompasses all of the history of California, from prehistoric times all the way up to present times, and Silicon Valley and the tech boom. Pacifica has a little bit of everything. Also, from the early days, we had wonderful Native American villages that lived on the land, and they used the ocean for a grocery store. And then we also have, towards modern times, we had the discoveries of the Spanish explorers. Coming up again, we have another highlight would be the early railroad that was here, Ocean Shore Railroad. After World War II, many families, young families came to live here. And we had, along the coast, we had one of the first schools, which is now our city hall right over there. And the school was so filled with so many young children, we needed to build onto the church and have extra classrooms in the back of our church. So the church, which was built in 1910, also served as a school and a community center and a place for people to meet and gather, as well as a place to worship.
离开了 Little Brown Church， 我们受市议员 Mike 的邀请，来到风景绝美的高尔夫球场。即便我和 Mike 有着悬殊的身高差距，但是也不完全影响他给我讲述他眼中的 Pacifica。
Pacifica itself is a municipality. It's a city. It was founded in 1957, and we have about 40,000 people, and we are about the 5th or 6th largest city in San Mateo County. And so we have excellent schools. We are relatively middle-class housing for this area. And we are, from my house, which is in southern Pacifica, I am 5 stoplights from downtown San Francisco. Oh. Okay. I like to say in real estate, location, location, location. We are from what I've been told, in the wealthiest zip code or wealthiest area code in the United States. We're right next to, world headquarters for Apple, Gilead, Google, Genentech. We have biotech, we have high tech, we have finance. But look around you. You're looking at a bare hill over there where you can go for a walk and not see any of that. You're on an 18-hole golf course, which they say is real close to when golf was invented in Scotland. You're on the seashores, you have the wind, you have the salt air. This golf course was designed by a guy named Alistair Mackenzie, and he's the same designer that developed Pebble Beach down in Monterey, and this is called the poor man's Pebble Beach. And he was world-renowned golfer, and you have that at your fingertips here in Pacifica. I've been living here over 30 years.
30 years.
Yep, raised my family here, 3 kids. My oldest is 30, my youngest is 24.
Oh,
Yeah.
how do you love the life in Pacifica?
Oh, I love it. I mean, it's really kind of nice. There is nothing like working over the hill and you're there in the high-tech world, you're in the banking world, the financial world, and you come down Highway 1 and you look at that coastline there and it's an instant depressurizer, okay? It just makes you sit there and appreciate what we have. The ebb and flow of the ocean, you can see people fishing. In the very northern end, some people do hang gliding, paragliding. And so it's really it's nice to see. And some of these houses, I mean, where else in the United States can you live 20 feet away from the ocean beach?
确实，在揭开这雾气缥缈小镇的薄纱背后，藏着除了海滩和冲浪之外的慢活游走趣味。而 Pacifica 的市长苏更告诉了我们一个不一样的 Pacifica。
Pacifica is the greatest community. People here who live here all care about Pacifica. They care about the open space. We also want to have people to come here. I would like Pacifica to be a destination, so people come and spend their time here. They spend their vacations here. We have beautiful beaches and oceans and trails, and we have wonderful hotels here where people can stay right on the ocean. It could be a great destination for people's vacations. I've lived here since 1979, so I've lived here quite some time. I really like the people here. People are extremely nice. It's so close to San Francisco, yet it's a whole different community. People just care about each other. Small story, but someone tried to help me once. I was just leaning against a pole, and she said, "Oh, I'll drive you. Where do you want to go?" And that's like the feeling of Pacifica. She didn't know me at all, but yet she's willing to take me wherever I want to go, because people do care about other people. People care about the environment, but they care about the other people too. And the fact that we can go anywhere, the jobs in Silicon Valley, San Francisco, anywhere that we want to go, it's close to here. San Francisco Airport is just minutes away. It is like a big family. It's totally like a big family.